How to block someone on Snapchat. Let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open Snapchat on your device. After you do so, you can just go ahead and select the people who you want to block. So let's suppose I want to block this person over here. I'll just go ahead and click on his or her profile and then click on the three dots on the top right hand side. Then you can see block. Go ahead and tap on block, which is right above report. As soon as you click on block, you can see the block icon. Go ahead and tap on it once again and this person will be blocked. If you want to unblock them, you can just go ahead and click on it, click on unblock, and they can be unblocked as well. So if you want to block your friends, just go ahead and go to your chats and select the person you want to block. So after you have selected them, click on the three dots on the top of their profile, click on manage friendship, click on block and click block once again. As soon as you click on block, this person will be blocked and they cannot no longer check out your profile. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.